Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto. In this video, we're going to talk about Zilliqa, or ticker symbol ZIL. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed to the channel, welcome back. And nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research, as I'm simply sharing my experience and my path with you. Only invest in what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding for a long period of time. And beware of spam in the comments. I'm never going to leave you with send you to another platform, Telegram, WhatsApp, or anything like that. All right, so everything will be YouTube, but I wouldn't ask you to contact me. So if you see any spam in the video, someone having their own conversation and eventually trying to tell you or show you someone's contact information from another platform, stay clear of it and know that they are in no way affiliated with this channel. Alright, so when it comes to Zilliqa, if you planned on, or if you mine, bought, sold, hold, or plan to invest in ZIL in the future, put a hashtag ZIL in the comments. In this video, we're going to talk about Zilliqa. You're going to talk about the all-time high, when it occurred, and what the price was, and what may have caused it to reach that plateau. Then we're going to go and look at the performance of ZIL over the last 24 days. It's going to be June 22nd to July 16th. Within that time frame, we're going to pick out the top five best trading opportunities, and we're going to do a simulation to see what happens if we would have donated or would have invested $3,000 into each of those, and see how much we would have gotten over that 24-day time period. And then we're also going to look at to see if there's any other trading opportunities that were outside the top five that's worth mentioning. We'll also look at the high price and the low price during that 24-day span. So once we do that, we're going to look at the tokenomics of ZIL to include the current price and the market cap, along with several other different information about the token to help us better anticipate and pick the best time to buy and sell Zilliqa. All right. So that said, let's go ahead and see what was the all-time high for ZIL. And this occurred May 8th, 2021, and this was at just under 24 cents at 0.236. And of course, you know that throughout 2021, during this time, there were a lot of crypto coins who actually reached their all-time high, and it was much higher than the current price. Right. So another thing too about ZIL, it's proof of work, so it can be mined, and a lot of time with ZIL, it can be like double and triple mined with other coins. So let's look at how it performed over the last 24 days. So once again, June 22nd. So we started all the way to July 16th. So let's look at the high price, the highest price that it reached. Of course, that was on July 16th, which was 0.0131, so a little over a penny a coin. And then the lowest price was 0.00962, and this was June 22nd. So now let's look at those top five trading opportunities going by order of date. So it looks like June 22nd was the lowest, so we bought it. The best opportunity would be to buy in there, of course, and then to sell 2 days later on the 24th, and this would have yielded a 13% return on investment, or 13% profit. And if we go on down over to the 28th of June, we got sold on the 30th. That's a 2-day time frame at a 6.3% profit. Then we got over here on the 1st of July to the 3rd of July, 2-day turnaround again. This one yielded a 9.7% profit. So as we go on here, the 5th of July, or July 5th, And we waited a little bit longer until the 14th, waited 9 days, but we got 21.5% profit opportunity during this time. As you see, we could have sold earlier and got back in, but different options here for this one. Then now here on the 13th of June to the 16th of June, a 3-day turnaround at 8.4%. Can't really see how it's trending, but we'll see when we look at the current price if it's going up, still going up, or if it's going down or sideways. All right, so with these trades, let's see if there's anything mentioned in between. This might have got us 1.5%, 2%. Same level here, maybe 1.5%, 2%. Minimal, still minimal. Yeah, not much action outside those top 5. But still, let's see what those top 5 will get us. Let's break out the old calculator. And remember what we're going to do, since we use 3,000 as an example, we're going to take 3,000 and multiply it by converting all these percentages into decimals and multiplying them by 3,000 and then adding up that total number, and that'll be the amount we got. So at 13%, we were able to get $390. 6.3 was $189. At 9.7 was $291. And it's whopping 21.5 gave us $645. Then the 8.4 was $252. And that gave us a opportunity to earn at least $1,767. And let's go ahead and take into account that if we were 15% off on the lows and on the highs, that we didn't get the exact top or the exact bottom, but give us a 15% range. So we'll times that by 0.7 or 70%. So that's 15 plus 15 equals 30, and 30 minus 100 equals 70.7, which is 70%. All right, so then this would still get us $1,236, which is still exceeds our goal with 6 days left in a 30-day trading cycle that we made for ourselves. So if you can see, that was fairly lucrative. Not the best, but not anything to complain about. And again, like I said, if you didn't want to use 3,000, you want to use your actual investment, or you want to take it with other numbers, just replace 3,000 with that number and do the same math. And this is what it would look like. So anytime before you're going to start swing trading, it's always a good idea to at least go back. The further, if you go back too far, it'll go out of the cycle, and it kind of won't help as much as the more recent. But as you know, it can change on a drop of a hat. But the best thing to do is at least do that, 3 months, 6 months. But know that, days before, because when the change starts, it'll continue or change. So any information you get can help. But anyway, that's what we have for this 24-day price action for ZIL. So now let's look at the tokenomics for ZIL. And let's start with the current price, which is 0.01286. And it's got 74.2% down from the max. Now here, Zilliqa stands at number 280 in market cap. So that means there's 279 coins that have a higher market cap. So this one comes in at $251 million as far as market cap. 24-hour trading is 15.5 million for 24 hours. Circulating supply is 19.5 billion. And that's 21 billion out of 21 billion coins. So it's almost all of them are in circulation. We can check and see in the future of where these coins are, just in case there's more drops to come. But still, it's close enough to kind of not worrying about new coins being added. But the thread of this one, I would be concerned with is there other coins that kind of put this on the back burner? Because at one time Zilliqa was in the top 100, top 1, top 200. So it's dropping. So like I said, if there's other newer coins or coins that are doing about the same thing, that kind of made this one more obsolete, just older and there's shinier, something shinier come along, a lot of investors will just come with that one. But that remains to be seen. Alright, so that's the tokenomics of ZIL. And if you did find this video useful, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and put the hashtag ZIL in the comments if you plan on investing or looking for more information about ZIL. And if you want to see more videos like this one, but explain with other crypto, go ahead and click on the rectangle in the middle of the screen. If you want to see what other type of videos this channel offers, click the circle on the bottom right. Alright, so thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.